Hi everyone, welcome to Weiert. Today, in this video, I will take you through part of the manufacturing process or engineering ceramic component. This ceramic component is made of 99.7% pure aluminum and is designed as a flow control valve component for semiconductor equipment, especially for handling ultra-pure water in ultra-clean flow control system. You see how we polish this interior using a machine and how we inspected the polishing effect of the professional instrument to ensure meets the stringent demands of ultra-clean flow control system.